How do serverless functions use a payload? Imagine a busy kitchen where a chef receives a special order. The order is like a serverless function getting a payload. It's the data that tells the chef what to cook. When a serverless function is triggered, it gets a package of information called a payload. This payload can be anything from a simple number to a complex set of data. In backend development, a payload is the data sent along with a request or response. It could be a JSON object, which is a way to organize data in a readable format. Or it might be Excel or even binary data, which is a more compact way to send information. When someone makes an API call, the payload often includes details like user input, search queries, or authentication tokens. The serverless function then reads this payload to understand what needs to be done. Think of the payload as a message that carries instructions. When the function is triggered, it receives this message as part of an event object or request parameter. The function then processes the data inside the payload. For example, it might check if a user is logged in, update a database, or call another service. Once it finishes, it sends back a response payload. This could be a success message, some calculated data, or an error message if something went wrong. Payloads are also used when multiple serverless functions work together. They pass data from one function to another, like passing notes in a classroom. Modern cloud hosting platforms support larger payloads, so you can send entire objects or datasets without breaking them into smaller pieces. This makes workflows smoother and reduces the need for extra data storage calls. For backend developers, understanding payloads is key. You want to design functions that accept structured data, like JSON objects, and validate that data to avoid errors. When your function finishes, it should return a clear response payload that other services or users can understand. Managing the size and format of payloads helps keep your functions running efficiently and cost-effectively. Since serverless functions are built based on how long they run and how much resources they use, optimizing payload size can save money. Payloads also make it easy to chain functions together. You can pass data from one function to another without needing to access external databases each time. This simplifies your architecture and speeds up processing. Overall, payloads are the main way serverless functions communicate, receive instructions, and deliver results. They are the heart of making backend services simple, quick, and easy to work with on cloud hosting platforms.